Hey, what's going on? I just wanted to pop on and do a quick video and thank all of my subscribers. I hit 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. If you don't know this, one of the reasons why I'm extra pumped about this milestone is that when you hit 1,000 subscribers, you're eligible for monetization with YouTube, which means I could actually start getting paid for this thing that I do that's really fun, this hobby that I've got. So it's kind of cool. Like, this hobby might actually become something more than a hobby. So again, I just want to thank everybody so much. I've got a few people who especially have reached out many times, and I'm extra thankful for you guys. You know who you are. I had also posted on Facebook. I was at like 997 subscribers, and I was trying to get to 1,000 by the end of the day. So I made a post on Facebook, and I said that I was planning on doing a giveaway of some sort if I hit 1,000 subscribers. So I actually hit the 1,000 yesterday, and I was super pumped. Today I'm at 1,003. So actually it was 1,001 what I noticed yesterday. So I went from 997 to 1,003 within 24 hours, which to me is pretty cool. So I'm just super pumped. I'm so happy that I'm like giving out this information and that people are finding it useful, and useful enough that they want to hear more, or they wouldn't hit that subscribe button, I would assume. So anyway, I had said that I wanted to do a giveaway, and I still do. Here's what I'm gonna do in this video. If people watch this, leave a comment down below and let me know that you watched it and you're interested in the giveaway. And I think what I'm gonna be giving away is an Amazon gift card. So basically, I will find some way to pick one name out of the hat. It might actually, depending on how many people, I might actually write them down and pick it and make a video, or I'll figure out a way how to do that. And I'm pretty sure it's gonna be an Amazon gift card right now. So go down and leave me a comment and let me know if there's a video you want me to do, whether it's business related or carpentry related or tool related or whatever related that, you know, based on what I do. So yeah, again, super pumped. If you haven't already in any of my videos, check out all of my links down below. I'd really appreciate it. I got a lot of stuff going on. I've also just become affiliates with ADORAMA, which is where I got my podcasting mics, and I got my wireless system from them, and I buy a lot of gear from them. They do like music, audio gear type stuff, video, you know, cameras, things like that. So check out those links. I got a whole bunch of other links too. I've got my podcast, if you haven't heard about that, which has nothing to do with carpentry. It's regular people talking about mental health, a podcast I do with my girlfriend. And then I have another YouTube channel that I started about a month ago, where I'm trying to explore the other parts of my life that are not carpentry related. And I don't know, maybe you'd be interested in them, maybe you wouldn't. They're like, I got all sorts of stuff. I want to maybe call it like leveling up your life with Nick. So at least that's where I'm at right now. And it kind of like ties into my carpentry background with the level up, you know? But there's links for that, all that stuff down in the description, and my websites and all that stuff. So if you want to support me in any way, I would super appreciate it. Even if you just go down there and click on the links and check them out, or just look at them. I don't know. Am I groveling? Is this groveling? Please go check out my links. Anyway, I'm just excited, right? I'm excited, I'm talking fast, I'm trying to think of everything I want to say to you guys, and I can't. So I'll probably wrap it up with this. Thank you. Again, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. See you on the next video.